So this is how I made Father Lankester Merrin's costume from The Exorcist. I got the Heavenly Father costume, I used the alb from it and the collar. I got a nice jacket from eBay, which was pretty cheap. And this is how it turned out. So with this costume, there is a couple of upgrades I made compared to what's in the movie. Things you just cannot find, or that they're more expensive than you would like to spend. So I got the case from Amazon, and then I got the bottle from Michael's, which I went and decorated myself. Everything else I did inside this case was just glued on with elastic bands, and I actually liked the way it turned out. So anything else, the vestment that he's wearing is just a handkerchief that I made, and I cut out a square hole. And then the stole I made personally, just using the iron-on tape that they have that permanently bonds it to the fabric, and it turned out great. And this is what the back of the stole looks like. Now this is the actual type of bottle that he used, which, yes, you can find. I found it on eBay, but it was like almost $60 or something like that. And I'm not looking to spend a whole lot, especially $20 for a stole from eBay. Way too much, especially coming from China too as well. I'm using a thin line NIV Bible. And I just want to give you guys a closer look at the casing that holds the crucifix and the holy water. And it took a little bit of work, but hey, gluing those elastic bands in there worked out awesome. So I just want to show you the durability of the bands that are glued in there, and they actually are really strong, and I believe I'll have really good use out of them and durability over time, so I don't see them wearing out or breaking out or coming off of there. And I'm actually surprised. Really nice. I made this holy water bottle to work exactly just like a real one. And it's really cool. The tip part comes off so you can sprinkle, or you can take the whole cap off so you can refill the bottle full of water. Now, another thing to mention is looking at his stole that he has there, he actually has crosses that are considered to be the Knights Templar crosses. So I didn't want to have a stole that represented that, so I put down Christian crosses on mine to be different, because that's the one thing I was noticing in the movie. I was like, wow, his stole looks way different from other stoles that I've seen for, other churches and whatnot that I've seen for sale. And yes, those are Templar crosses on his in the movie, just a FYI. And my handmade stole was only $6. Well, I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much.